Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clear source. Scan or export the floor plan at 300/600 dpi, then annotate room names and critical dimensions. Once done, convert annotations into a simple CSV or JSON so your pipeline can read them. Next, pick a model that matches output needs, image to 3D for geometry, diffusion, or layout transformers for stylized renders. Make sure to set coordinate units and scale up front. Otherwise, you'll chase mismatched measurements later. You now preprocess and condition the input. Deskew the image, normalize colors, and extract binary masks or vector paths to represent walls and openings. Then feed the model with explicit conditioning, include style, material palettes, furniture density, and lighting time of day. As the model outputs geometry or rendered images, refine incrementally. Clean meshes, bake textures, and set light probes for realistic shading. Make sure to iterate with smaller crops to isolate problem areas and reduce. You complete the job by exporting geometry and textures in standard formats: OBJ/FBX for models, PNG or JPEG 16-bit for textures, and EXR for lighting data. Once exported, validate scale in camera views and run a final render pass at your target resolution to catch visual issues. If you see mismatched scale or artifacts, reprocess the masks, tweak model loss weights, or revise prompts, and rerun only the affected tiles. This saves time and preserves the parts that already look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.